Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our running boards for the 53 and 54 Ford tractors. A high wear item on Ford tractors, the running boards were worn down and often bent or broken. Dennis Carpenter has authentically reproduced the running boards for these classic tractors. Made from the OEM gauge steel with the correct raised square steel tread design, they are an exact reproduction of the originals. The left-hand running board features an integrated toolbox for storage of tools, hitch pins, or other needed items. For maximum rust protection and durability, each board is powder-coated in Ford Tractor Red. Both the left and right-hand running boards come complete with the mounting hardware for an easy installation. These running boards will be the perfect finishing touch to your tractor project. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford tractor at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.